Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a KitchenAid dishwasher and it's giving you a 6-3 error code, or if you have a digital display. And if you don't have a digital display, it will show the same error code via the blinks on it, error blinking, and you will get, what you'll do is you'll get 6 blinks followed by a 2-second pause followed by 3 blinks, so creating that 6-3 code. And what's happening here is that the water pump is that pumps the water out. It has so much soap suds in it, or just bubbles of air or air, that it can't actually pump the water out properly. So what you want to do is you just want to get rid of this error. You just need to get the soap suds out of your dishwasher. So what you want to do first of all is just cancel the cycle so that it can try to empty it out. And if it can't get it out, because sometimes it can just be so sudsy in there that it just can't get it out. So you're just going to have to clean it out by hand, clean all the suds out and everything by hand. And then once you do that, you'll get rid of this error, but you want to make sure it doesn't come back again. So what you want to do is you might need to adjust the detergent that you're using or the amounts that you're using, because too much detergent or too much soap or not the right amount of soap can cause excessive sudsing. Also, if it's not draining properly, I would get down there and check the filter and everything like that goes into the drain pump, and make sure that it's not just churning the water and making it sudsy and not draining it properly, because that can cause suds as well. So anyways, that's what's going on with your dishwasher if you have the 6-3 error code. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.